CQ, CQ. How about that station out of the UK? CQ, United Kingdom. This is 2 Alpha Whiskey 014 USA calling CKDX. Okay, 275 out of the United Kingdom, 275 United Kingdom. This is 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, state of Tennessee, USA, North America. Back to you, sir. Go ahead, sir. QSL 275 in the United Kingdom, 275 in the United Kingdom. You got operator Ken on this end, Kilo Echo November, in the state of Tennessee. Back to you, 275 QSL. QSL 275 in the United Kingdom. I guess Mother Nature changed on this, and I had a 5x5 on you at the moment, and then Mother Nature changed on us. All the good numbers to you. Maybe we'll get a QSO there. That station out of the United Kingdom, 275. We appreciate the comeback. This is 2 Alpha Whiskey 014 USA. We thank you.